In Argentina, the pro-Bitcoin presidential candidate won the election. So what awaits us in the coming period? Let's look at the details. The second round of presidential elections in Argentina concluded with the victory of Javier Milei, a staunch supporter of Bitcoin and a strong right-wing populist candidate. Milei secured the win with over 55% of the vote, amassing nearly a 3 million vote difference. Taking a firm stance against the country's central bank, Milei has labeled it as fraud and criticized politicians for using inflation taxes as a means to punish the public. This stance gained significant support among voters grappling with Argentina's long-standing inflation crisis. With the annual inflation of the Argentine peso soaring up to 140% in the past 12 months, Milei sees Bitcoin as a significant step towards strengthening control over currency in the private sector. He is preparing to take office on December 10th. On the other hand, the defeated incumbent Minister of Economy, Sergio Massa, holds a different perspective on the economic landscape. Massa had pledged to launch a central bank digital currency as a solution to Argentina's ongoing inflation problem. This highlights the diversity within the country's political outlook. While Massa won the first round of the presidential election in October, it wasn't enough to directly secure the presidency, leading to the final second-round vote resulting in Milei's victory. What Milei will do in the new term remains a subject of curiosity. We'll have to wait and see. Very different and exciting developments are taking place. We're very curious about what's going to happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.